A warm and cheerful welcome to SJC Primary News for the month of October 2025. I am Rian Majumdar of class 5th F.
And I am Estanaya of class 5th B. We are here to share the exciting events and achievements of this wonderful and festive month of October.
On 8th October, our school reopened after the Puja vacation. The day began with special prayer that filled the assembly with peace and devotion. Teachers welcomed students warmly and cheerful smiles returned to the classrooms. Activities brought back enthusiasm and the school echoed with laughter, discipline and positivity. With fresh energy and bright minds, learning picked up beautifully.
On 9th October, our school conducted the International Computer Science Olympiad. Many students participated confidently, attempting questions on logical reasoning, digital skills and technology. Little young minds showed great interest in the fascinating world of computers. Teachers guided them with clarity and the atmosphere remained focused, curious and disciplined.
On 11th October, right after the half-yearly examinations, the primary section hosted a fruitful parent-teacher meeting. The campus buzzed with meaningful conversations as parents and teachers discussed each child's academic progress, behavior and overall development. Teachers shared useful tips on building healthy study habits and encouraged reducing screen time for better focus. Parents appreciated the school's dedicated efforts. The warm interaction reinforced the connection between home and school, ensuring a brighter path ahead for every child.
Making our school proud, Adyasha Shubhlakshmi Nath of class 3C secured the first prize in spot painting on 12th October 2025. Her creativity, neatness and vibrant color sense impressed the judges. We congratulate her and wish her more success in the field of art. She displayed remarkable focus and brought her imagination to life with confidence. Her achievement inspired many young artists across the primary wing.
We proudly announce that Sansita Padi of class 4C represented our school at the Indian International Dance Festival at Bhanja Kala Mandap, Bhubaneswar. She presented the Sambalpuri folk dance with cultural grace, confident moves and expressive energy. The audience admired her captivating performance and applauded with great support. Her vibrant choreography highlighted the rich heritage of Odisha and filled the hall with excitement. She displayed dedication, discipline and passion, making her achievement truly remarkable.
On 15th October, our school celebrated the 375th Foundation Day of the Sisters of St. Joseph, founded by Father John Pierre Madai, S.J. in 1650. The celebration began with a heartfelt prayer. All the sisters were welcomed with flowers, followed by a serene candlelight ceremony spreading peace and compassion. We gifted delicate floral brooches as tokens of affection. A spectacular highlight of the celebration was the grand participation of around 200 students who performed a graceful prayer dance with perfect coordination, creating a soulful and spiritual ambience across the campus. Students and teachers also presented a melodious prayer song that filled the atmosphere with devotion. Primary children enjoyed a photo gallery and clicked memorable pictures with excitement. A cheerful photo shoot spot added even more joy as students posed happily with bright smiles. The entire campus glowed with unity, joy and heartfelt gratitude.
On 19th October, our school celebrated Diwali with festive cheer and cultural joy. Students performed a colorful and graceful dance, spreading the message of light triumphing over darkness. Children also spoke about the Diwali festival and shared its values. Along with this, Class 1 students participated in a diya making competition, displaying creativity through bright, traditional, and artistic designs. Teachers encouraged everyone to celebrate safely and kindly. The entire school sparkled with happiness, tradition, and a warm sense of togetherness.
Bringing honor to our school, Helisha Ramchandani of Class 1B won the first prize in the Hindi Kavita recitation competition organized by Punjab National Bank, Sambalpur. Her clear pronunciation, expressive actions, and confidence impressed the judges. We are proud of her achievement.
As the Grand Foundation Day approached, the primary wing buzzed with preparation. Teachers and students practiced daily with dedication. Dance rehearsals echoed through the corridors. Coordination, discipline, and excitement filled the campus.
On 27th October, our school celebrated the 375th foundation anniversary of the Sisters of St. Joseph. Young dancers from our school performed Odissi set to the melodious Sanskrit rendering of the Lord's Prayer, Our Father, sung by renowned artist K.J. Yesudas. This prayer dance brought a calm and spiritual tone to the evening before the cultural events began.
On 29th October, General Superior Sister Dolores Lar, CSJ from the USA, and General Counselor Sister Cristina Gavazzi, CSJ from Rome, Italy, visited our primary section. Sister Dolores felt nostalgic as she had served as a teacher for 20 years and thanked everyone for the warm and wonderful welcome. Sister Christina felt extremely happy seeing the children's bright smiles and appreciated how lovingly they gathered to meet them, offering big heart gestures and cheerful hugs. She joyfully blessed the students for a brighter future. Students formed heart-shaped with their tiny little hands, and some children came forward to share their love and joyful thoughts. The school filled with warmth, laughter, and unforgettable memories as both sisters encouraged young minds, spread kindness, unity, and hope across the campus.
October gifted us celebrations, achievements, and proud moments that will remain close to our hearts.
Thank you for watching SJC Primary News. Stay connected for more exciting school highlights. Have a wonderful month ahead.
Subscribe for more updates.